So starting the test drive in this F-150, this exhaust is so loud, but I love it, absolutely love it. You can probably barely hear me over it, but I mean, it's fantastic, especially for a supercharged V8 pickup. I think it goes perfectly well with this. It's so much fun to drive. The sound is phenomenal. Now, I'll start right off the bat by saying the suspension is very bouncy. Now, you have 22-inch wheels on a single cab pickup, so it's not gonna float down the road like a crew cab, but it's what I expect from a truck like this, and that's kind of what I want. I want something relatively stiff, relatively bouncy. It just makes it more fun, in my opinion. You can kind of feel the road better. But I will say the 22-inch niche wheels are large for this truck. Doesn't bother me at all, but I mean, 22s on a truck is big enough, but on a truck that's sitting like this, yeah, it's a bit bumpy. But if you're in the market for one of these, it's not going to deter you from this anyway. It's definitely not deterring me from how much I like this truck. Now we're gonna give it a quick pull getting on the interstate here. Luckily no one's behind me, so this will be a good one. Gonna come around this corner here. No one's behind me, so we're gonna mash it from a stop. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. That was fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I mean, just from a stop, you're just getting that thrash from the supercharger. It's just sending you, man. And the funny thing is, as it gets higher in the RPMs, you like get up to speed, it feels quicker from like 60 to 80 than it does from, let's say, 10 to 30. I mean, that was just insane. But I want to give a huge thanks to Auto Collections of Murfreesboro and Auto Pro Nashville for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below for a new truck, third link down for a pre-owned one. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever vehicle you might be interested in. But yeah, that was freaking awesome. It's wow. A truck like this, when you drive it to its potential, it really does make you feel like, you know, it's worth 63 grand for a Ford F-150 XL. Honestly, pretty cheap because the performance is nuts, absolutely nuts. And I mean, it is a looker too, don't get me wrong, but I'm still smiling from flooring it. I mean, my gosh. Now, what I like about this truck is you still get the warranty, right? So the Whipple supercharger has a warranty on it. Transmission, everything from, you know, this build is still covered under warranty. But the 5-liter it's got a track record of being very reliable in these trucks. The 10-speed as well. And you'll probably have less chance of having issues out of this supercharged V8 than out of the twin turbo, you know, the EcoBoost V6 in terms of, you know, the turbos having issues or the 6-cylinder having issues in general. But I mean, the Raptors for me are fun, they're quick, even the Raptor R, but this here just, there's something about a single cab, like lowered truck on 22-inch wheels that's supercharged that just does it for me. I mean, gosh, it's just so much fun. It's so slick in terms of the look. Love this aftermarket leather here. It's really the best interior I've seen on an F-150 in general. It's just, gosh, it's a beast of a truck. It really is. And I had high expectations, but they've been shattered. They really have. like I said earlier, for the money here, I mean, it's actually a really nice truck in here. Now, like conversion vans, like these upfitted vehicles, they kind of start with a more basic trim so they can kind of have more room to fool with stuff. So you're able to put leather on the seats, you're able to put subs behind the front row here without having to worry about power seats and, you know, fooling with all that. But I absolutely love how this was done. The 5-liter V8, again, is borderline bulletproof in the Ford community, just with how easy it is to maintain, how reliable it is in general, and then just if you have to fix anything, it's simpler than the EcoBoost. But I mean, the 10-speed pairs with this thing beautifully. The shift points are great. Just how it was done top to bottom is just downright impressive. This thing is freaking insane when it comes to a pickup truck. And gosh, I really want to buy this, but not really my cup of tea. But if it's yours, you will not be disappointed. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 supercharged Ford F-150.